Alright, so we just got these. These are window decals. Honey, please do the honors. You gotta open them on that end. And they're supposed to be like silver, I think.
No, it's supposed to be white birds.
They're white, yeah. Silver white.
Silver
like a
white?
silver, you gotta get it right here. See
I'm
that?
looking for this.
It's right here, bud.
Yeah, I got it.
See the edge? Yeah. First day trying to open a package. It comes with a special, like, application thing. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, doesn't move. That's it right
cool.
there.
Yeah.
Alright, you want to put one on?
Yeah.
Okay, so first you got to clean the window off. Then you got to mist it, and then you got to squeegee it on. She's trying to decide which one to use. Well, it says it right here. It says clean, blank, peel the anti.
Oh, here it is. It's not that big. It's smaller. I mean, it's less than what I thought.
Okay.
So I'll put it right there.
And then you just slide it on there?
I guess so.
All right, how are you going to do it, though? What? Okay. That's it? And now you got to get the bubbles out.
Huh?
Oh.
Okay, that doesn't get the bubbles out.
Put more bubbles in.
Yeah.
Not really like, no, that kind of worked. Pull this way. And then push it down.
That's it, right?
Yeah, this one. You still have a little
Is there?
there. Okay. Now we just gotta.
That's cool. Just ever so slightly.
Oh, you can't even see it early.
Huh?
That'll keep you from running through it,
Yeah.
though.
I think.
Let's see. Yeah.
Is that everything? Yeah. That's fine, right?
That worked.
That's cool. That's much better than that stupid yellow.
In there.
I didn't push hard, so I don't know how hard to push.
Let's see if I can fix this. That's it. All right, I think that's good.
It's cool.
That's definitely going to keep you from walking through it.
So do I need another one?
Well, yeah, well, I don't know. Do you want to put another one on? If you look right here, you can see our little bird. And this hopefully will keep us from walking through the door. As you get closer to it, you see it there. So yeah, that worked pretty good. Here, I'll just go give you an angle. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos and stuff like that. Peace out.